Hey, how's it going, guys? This is Matt with Dynamic Mobile Audio and Detailing, working on a 2016 370Z with the factory Bose nightmare that it is. I just wanted to go over a quick diagram of what wires you need to run to your DSP. So you're going to need this wiring harness that is 8 by 8. The rear, you're going to need these two sets. So your pink is your positive left, your blue is your negative left, your red is your positive right, and your green is your negative right. These are your low voltage signals going directly from the head unit. No filtration going on with those, going directly into your DSP. From your DSP, you can then sum your signals into your EQ and then feed out to your amplifier. This is Matt with Dynamic Mobile Audio. If you have any questions, please leave them below, or please feel free to contact me through Facebook. Thank you.